What's going on, everyone? I'm trying to do a little bit more finish on the car today. I think I'm going to tackle some of the interior bits along with tail lights and a few other things, and maybe even go for a test drive today. I got some of the interior bits in. I decided I wanted to still have some of the trim pieces like the kick panel. I made a little block off plate so you can't see as much of the shit back there. Put my center console back in because I cannot live without a cup holder. Did all this other shit. Right now I am fastening the dash. Right here I'm going to use a nutsert in that hole right there. And I have yet to actually use the nutsert tool. Bought this about a year and a half ago. Haven't used it yet. See how it goes. Some of you might not know what a rib nut tool or nutsert tool is. All it is, just like a rivet gun, you take this little guy, you put it in the hole that you're drilling out, and then you just squeeze this so it pulls it and squeezes it just like a rivet. By doing it properly, it secures it into place so you don't have to have a welded nut on the other side, or you don't have to have a loose nut so you're holding the socket and you're trying to do it with a wrench and all this other shit. If done correctly, it works awesome. I've seen it on TV and the internet, so you know it's true. So hopefully I don't drill the hole too big and de-thread it and have to go in there and drill it out again. Hopefully one time that's all it fucking needs. And that's a nutsert. As you can see, it's in there. The dash is fastened. And pretty well, I might add. Alright, let's see if the radio works. Cool. Sweet! And I forgot my CD in it. Awesome! Now I guess I can finish buttoning up the dash, put the trim piece on, put the airbag delete back in place, and move on to another project. Alright guys, I'm all done for today. I started on the rear taillights. I didn't get that far. I figured it's a good stopping point. I did get the dash all in. Like I said, the radio works. Hopefully it comes on. And I can play my music. I set up the phone right there so I can use it for both music, even though it stays sideways, but I can have my maps. So I think that's cool. Next thing I'm going to do, not really sure. Finish off taillights tomorrow, test drive tomorrow. I really want to get the taillights working before I actually try to take it on the road. But yeah, as you can see, dash is in. Doesn't move. Pretty good. Pretty solid. Kind of happy with myself on that. A few other things I noticed. I need the rear trunk lid grommet. I don't really know what to call it. Grommet, weather stripping. Yeah, we'll call it weather stripping. I need that. I need a couple other things. I need to plug up some of the holes, like in the doors and the firewall, stuff like that. I need to make patch plates for the firewall. So that's good. So I don't have to dick with it. But yeah, I'm psyched that I got the radio in. The dash is good. I'm not fucking with it anymore. Now I can do the lighting like I wanted to. Like I said, I got this one going, so that's pretty cool. But yeah. Do the taillights. I gotta do the front blinkers. Beyond that, it's just like shakedown stuff. I have to nut and bolt check everything. I still have to mount my skid plates, but everything else is good. Yeah. So, till tomorrow, do some taillight stuff, try to get that stuff figured out. I got the harnesses from this chassis. I got what's left over from the Forester in the rear. So I should just be able to make adapter harnesses. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, if you're still watching, thanks for watching. Check back for more. And tomorrow, road test? We'll see.